romantic kiss, so you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure,
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are subscribed, thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, because we're gonna be having so much fun. Today we're just gonna be playing with this palette right here. This is the ZULU by Juvia'S. I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you have it, let's play together. This is the look that I'm creating. I had no idea what I was doing once I started to open the palette and seeing the colors, but this is what came out. So let's just quickly start and get into the video. I just didn't want to go without telling you guys what I have on, and this is what I have in my face right now, and it's just one pump of each product. This is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate, which is a little light, and this is the Luminous Foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a little yellow, so I mixed the two and it made the perfect shade for me. And I think that it looks so beautiful, so luminous. Since both of the foundations are very luminous, I just think that it's very nice. So I'm just gonna completely set my face and I'll come back for the look of today's date. Alright you guys, so my face is completely set now, and for bronzer I'm gonna try this again. I haven't tried this in a long time. So this is from MAC. I believe this was like a holiday release, and I got this on Marshalls. Just gonna grab this color right here. I feel like this shade is just perfect to contour with. I'm gonna go in with some of this blush and ignore my nose. I'm just contouring. Just gonna go in. See my Jeffree Star. I love this highlight because it's so subtle, but also it's noticeable, and it looks so pretty, and also it looks so natural. Just gonna go a tad bit more intense with the highlight, and for that I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild. Just the tiniest bit more right in here. Ooh, that's intense. I love this highlight, so affordable and so good. For today, the palette of the day will be the ZULU by Juvia'S. This is a beautiful palette. I love the design on this. I love the packaging. I love everything about Juvia'S. And look at this beautiful colors. I do not know what to do, so bear with me as I pick what kind of color story do I want to go with in here. And if you hear my voice cracking up, please forgive me. I am sick, but I kind of want to do uploads for you guys so you guys don't miss any videos. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing today for the palette of the day, and hopefully you like this. I do not know what I'm going to do, but we'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna start. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I'm gonna start with this yellow in the crease, and we'll see from there what we'll be doing. Oh my god, let me blend. I'm gonna start by packing the color in there, and then I'll blend out. Start blending lightly. I'm also gonna bring that yellow down, so I build my lower lash line at the same time that I build the transition color, so I don't have to go back and forth doing that color. I thought of this color being a little more brighter, but it's kind of more mustardy kind of color. So that's our first color down. As you can see, that color just blended like butter, like any Juvia'S eyeshadow that I have tried. So we'll get the other eye going with this yellow as well. Alright, the yellow is down. We're gonna move on to the orange. We'll see. Oh my god, you guys, I'm scared. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Just placing colors on top of colors. I just didn't felt that yellow, so I'm just gonna cover it with this orange. Just gave that orange a little more vibrancy, made it a little lighter. Oh yeah, I like it. I don't know what to do next, you guys. I'm gonna place this brown right in this part. Same brown on a different brush. Just like so. And I'm gonna be placing this color, I think. We'll see. Right here. Then we'll do the same thing on the other eye, and maybe we'll do a flip to all of this, and I don't know. Okay, you guys, we have it together. So here's the flip. We're gonna grab a pencil brush, and we're just gonna grab that teal inner, and we're gonna place it in the inner corner. This can be a total fail, but you're not brave if you don't do any different. And I feel like that looks stunning. I have never done something like this, but I feel like it's so cute. It's a larger inner corner, so bear with me. I don't know, should I place this on top? Let's see. I feel like I should wet my brush for that part. Ooh. We'll do the same thing on the other eye and put some false eyelashes and see what we think about this look. These eyeshadows are gorgeous. I'm just gonna be dragging the color right here a little bit more. And I just feel like that looks like another level, like not the kind of thing that I do. So I'm just gonna bring a little bit more jello right here. And I'm glad it did, because I never do something like this. And it's fun to just do something different here and there. Especially when playing with like shadows like this. Beautiful lashes are on. I'm just gonna line my Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. This is with blushes and everything. I feel like I went a little too crazy with color today, but I was inspired. But it's so many colors in here. I could have done so many things, but I just feel like I never do something crazy like this. Hopefully you like this. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crazy looks like this coming up. And until the next one, I will see you guys. Bye bye.
So you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure,